guys, today we're opening Labubu. Yeah, so I know I like the big into energy, but I wanted to have a seat one. I don't know, it's just always wanted to feel how it is, but I don't know. I just got it. Here are the ones we can get. And I want Baba, Cece, or Hee. These ones. Okay. But those are the ones I want. I think I'm gonna get QQ, Cuckoo, I don't know, or ZZ. I don't know. It's okay if I get Dada. Oh, not the one. See? Labubu. Oh wait, I forgot. Or the secret. There's a secret. Staring. I don't know. But this one's staring at you. And they're staring at you. They're staring at you. Wait. Oh. I thought it was I didn't see this thing when you open it. I thought it was going to be like where you open it like this, and that's like a lafufu, 10,000 times lasusu. Open up. I'm gonna die. I'm dead. This is not. Oh my gosh. I'm dead. I got the secret. Oh my god. It's my first time getting a secret Labubu. I don't have words. It's a Labubu. It's not a Lafufu. Well, it doesn't have a QR code, but nothing's wrong with it. The monsters, and it says Pop Mart at the back. Oh my god. I don't know. I was having so much bad luck. I started being really lucky when I started making YouTube videos. I don't know. I for sure thought I was gonna get one of these, but look, this is 1 out of 72. Like, I wanted to pick another box before, but like, I just picked, listen, I just picked the one in the back. I picked the one in the back. It was just like staring at me. So this thing was staring at me. So I had to get it. Oh, I forgot his little card. Look. His name is Dodo. Wow. I know the Big Into Energies one is chestnut. No. The one from the macaron series is chestnut coconut, but this one is Dodo. Dodo? I don't know, this spells weird. I don't know if you can see that. It says Pop Mart on it. I like this card. Okay. I'm definitely bringing this one to school. I'm gonna go show everyone right now. Yeah. I got the secret Labubu. Here's how he looks like. He's so cute. He could be holding something. Oh wait, my cat wants to come in. Bye.